In this video, I am going to show you how to delete your Flirt account. 1. Open your web browser and navigate to the official Flirt website. 2. Log into your Flirt account by entering your credentials on the website. 3. Once logged in, locate the profile icon at the top right-hand corner of the screen and click on it to reveal a drop-down menu. From the drop-down menu, select My Settings, and this will take you to the Settings page of your account. Scroll down to the bottom of the settings until you see option labeled Remove Account. Click on it to initiate the Remove Account deletion process. For security reasons, you'll be prompted to enter your password. Enter your password and click Continue to proceed. Next, you'll be presented with options regarding the removal of your account. To delete your account completely, select the option that says Remove My Profile, Contacts, and any personal information. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.